Hi friends, today we will talk about confidence. So friends, what is the confidence and why so important in our life? So friends, confidence is the state of being clear our mind. It helps us to ready for our life experience. When you are more comfortable, then easily you can move forward with the people and opportunities. Friends, what make you confident? So positive thinking, practice, training, knowledge and talking with other people. Friends, confidence come from only of a feeling of well-being. There are lots of benefits like a less of fear and anxiety, increase your motivation, improve your relationship and it also success of key. You can give yourself a challenges and build your confidence. When confidence through, you can easily to overcome your stress and fulfill your dreams. Friends, thank you for watching this video till end. Take care. Bye bye.